Hey everyone, it's your favorite pick instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best immersion blenders reviews that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Breville. Undoubtedly, Breville is one of the best brands in kitchen appliances. It is the best immersion blender for ice. It comes with a 280 watts motor, and it will do all the churning jobs easily. The immersion blender's shaft measures 8 inches in length, making it ideal for large containers of pureed soups or tall smoothies glasses. It comes with a no-scratch guard ring that runs all along the rim of the 3-inch bell-shaped bottom to safeguard pots from scratching. It is a huge plus for individuals who are constantly finding new ways to extend the shelf life of non-stick pots. You can use the 25-ounce chopping bowl to make mayo and homemade bread crumbs. The large jug helps you to make smoothies for 5 people. Its pistol-like control grip offers a firm grip while blending. The control stick comes with 15 control options for easy blending. If you are looking for the best immersion blender with attachments, the Breville control grip will be the best choice for you because it comes with a whisk, chopping bowl, and extra-large jug attachments. As a result, there is no need to use the stand mixer for whipping egg whites or combining light batters. At number 4. Vitamix. The Vitamix immersion blender is the best powerful blender in the market. It can easily blend the hard ingredients with its powerful motor. In addition, it offers 5 speed levels, which allow you to manage a broader range of stuff than cheaper models can. Vitamix immersion blender also has a pan guard contour that optimizes the circulation of the ingredients for a silky consistency. The unique feature is that it comes with a 625 watts motor. You can adjust the 5 variable speeds, and its 4-long blade helps you make food in the desired texture. It is easy to operate the blender with one hand with an ergonomic handle, while adding items with the other hand is simple. As for convenience, the immersion blender came with a 5-foot cord, allowing you to combine with reliable power. You can blend in a milkshake cup, a 1-quart broad mason jar, or any vessel with a 3-inch wide opening. It is the best immersion blender for silk-smooth purees. The bell guard design decreases suction and allows materials to run freely through the blades while safeguarding pots, pans, and any favorite blending vessels from scratches. At number 3. Mueller Austria. If you are looking for a budget immersion blender, consider the Mueller Austria immersion blender. It comes with a 500 watts powerful motor. It is the best immersion blender at an affordable price. You can also make soups, smoothies, sauces, and homemade almond butter. The comfortable grip provides a non-slip and pleasant grip if you continuously blend items. In addition, it comes with a milk frother for making the best homemade lattes, as well as a whisk attachment for whipping cream, beating eggs, and making homemade mayo for a sandwich. The complete copper motor can tolerate continuous operation and will last 3 times as long as competing motors. Mueller Austria immersion blender is compact and easy to clean. It doesn't take much time to smash anything. When you add in the 9-speed settings, you've got yourself a flexible immersion blender that can tackle a wide range of tasks. At number 2. All-Clad. The All-Clad immersion blender is the best cordless immersion blender available in the market. Although cordless, it gives extra comfort like a premium corded stick blender. In addition, when you don't wish to be connected to one area in the kitchen or don't have access to an outlet near your stove, this option has a rechargeable battery that lasts over 9 minutes. It comes with a removable shaft that allows you to store the blender in tight areas in which a full blender may well not fit. You'll have perfect control over the consistency of homemade refried beans, soups, or pureed veggies with a high-powered immersion blender. It comes with a 5-speed level option for your convenience. In addition, it has a 500 watts powerful motor which helps you to prepare all your favorite food. Safe and simple operation due to the safety lock, which is meant to keep the item safe when not in use. You can efficiently operate the immersion blender with one hand. Make all the desserts quickly. At number 1. Kitchenaid. Kitchenaid is the best home appliance brand that Whirlpool owns. It is the best immersion blender for smoothies. When it comes to quality, the Kitchenaid hand blenders are unrivaled. It blends smoothie ice, almond, and coconut quickly. Also, it didn't suction while compared with its competitors' immersion blenders. The soft handlebar provides a non-slip and comfy grip if you continuously blend foods. As it is dishwasher safe, you can easily clean the hand blender. It comes with a strong power cord that won't bunch up or even get twisted, which is the favorite feature of the Kitchenaid 2-speed hand blender. This is useful for navigating around a congested table. The trigger is easy to push, and its handle is rubberized for a better grip. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.